She packed my bags last night, pre-flight, 0 hour, 9 a.m.
I'm not an astronaut.
And I'm gonna be high
I don't
as
need an
a kite
astronaut.
by then.
What do you miss most about home?
I miss the earth so much.
Grace?
I miss my
Faith?
wife.
No. I mean, I did.
It's lonely out in
Well, she thought I
space.
had my head in the clouds.
You have no
On such
immediate
a
family. You don't even have a dog.
timeless flight.
She was right. How long you been together?
186.3 years.
We've been together a long time.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.
It's not enough.
Touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, no, no. I'm a rocket man, burning out his fuse out here at home. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at
You're a long
home.
way from home.
No, no, no. I'm a rocket man.
I'm a long way from home, too. What do you think?
Rocket man.
You think you're gonna pull it off?
God willing.
You believe in God?
Mars
It's
ain't
Santa.
the kind of place to raise your kids.
Must be hard having to ask everybody to.
In fact, it's cold
Makes me
as
listen.
hell. And there's no one there to raise them. If you did,
What is Grace doing?
and all the science I don't
All that.
understand.
The beach is always changing. You could go to the same spot
Just
every
my
day.
job
You're always looking at a
5
different
days a
picture.
week. A rocket
Excited about us both getting to go home. There's no more pretending for a little while.
rocket man.
I, like Earth, need human word for rocky mate.
It's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown
Adrian.
brings me
I'm not
round again
heroic
to
in
find
any way.
I'm not the man they think I am at home.
Some people don't rise to the challenge. You're asking me right now to give up my life.
I will.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh, no,
I understand. I think I'm the right person for this mission.
rocket man, burning out his fuse out here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long
But I don't have it in me.
time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.
I want you to sleep out.
And I think it's gonna
But,
be a long, long time.
You gotta wake up.
And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.
It's Earth.
And I think it's
So you can remember me.
Rocky can't forget. I didn't get you anything.
You gave me everything. I can't do it. I can't do it.
I am trying to make you understand what I'm about to do next. You will be remembered as a hero.
You are very brave.
I don't know about that. You know who you are. You're gonna be great.
May seem like me betraying you.
These are things that I love. Slow. Painful death. Alone. You can go home. Or I can save Rocky. I don't have the bravery gene that you all have. It's not a gene. You just need to find someone to be grateful. Life is reasons dying or dying. I got to meet you. I got to do all this amazing stuff. I've made peace with you.
Grace say Grace will die. Rocky fix. Grace go home.